Hey everyone, welcome to Noor Telecom. Today we're going to show how to reball the CPU of an iPhone 11 Pro, the A13 Bionic chip. Let's begin. First, we place the logic board under the microscope and start by removing the glue around the CPU. Using a thin needle tool, we gently scrape and lift all the black adhesive around the chip. After that, we apply some flux around the CPU and begin heating it evenly with a hot air gun. While heating, we use a thin metal blade to carefully lift the CPU once it's loosened. After removing the CPU, we clean the pad area on the logic board by applying flux and gently wiping it with a soldering iron. Then we use solder wick to remove the old solder balls and make the surface flat and shiny. Next, we clean all the remaining flux and dirt using cotton soaked in cleaner. Then we place a metal stencil over the CPU, apply solder paste on top, and heat it with a hot air gun to form new solder balls. After reballing is done, we apply a small amount of flux to the CPU pad. Place the CPU back into its correct position on the logic board. Heat it again using the hot air gun until it's perfectly soldered in place. Finally, the CPU is firmly attached.